Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get Unique Design Clock Widget for the desktop screen of any Windows computer. So without more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and visit to this website link. And after that, on the right side you can see your releases. Just click on it and now you will see here one file, desktop clock widget.exe. So you need to download this file. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to run the software installer. Click on next, click on install. So finally the installation has been completed. Now you can click on finish, wait for a few seconds. Voila, now you can see here a very unique design clock widget appearing on the center of the desktop screen. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily get unique design clock widget for the desktop screen of any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.